Guys, it is, hey, turn that car down. I'm trying to make an intro. Guys, it is like 3 in the afternoon and it looks so dark. Like I feel like the sun's about to go down on the city. But happy 2020, ladies and germs. You guys know what time it is. It's a Thrift God with the first trip to the Thrift of the brand new year. I appreciate all the support, all the love, and all that jazz. We're gonna hop into Thrift right now. I cleaned the Chariots and you know what? This is a trip to the Thrift featuring my boo. Okay, anyways, she's a little camera shy, but we'll see if we can get her to open up on some clothing a little bit later, all right? Let's get into there. Anyways, guys, yeah, it's always great to have a woman in the Thrift with you. Why? Because if you're unsure if something's dope or not, they will definitely let you know. And when a cart has a dysfunctional wheel, dude, they'll just bring out another one. She's on cart duty. Perfect. All right, let's see if there's actually some fire in here. Bro, there is. I already see it. Look at that Brookfield Zoo member. That wolf is just howling at me from behind this enlarged stripper pole. Oh, let's get it. Cocaine white. You also got this Cardinals jersey. That's pretty nice, you know what I'm saying? Nice. Predator versus prey, bird versus wolf. Who wins? Depends on if the chickens have large talons.
Large talons.
What on this good God earth? Bro. It's good luck, man. It's good luck. You got the fleece orange Nautica Brothers. Only $6, man. It's very simple on the front, but just popping on the backside. Wow. You're a natural. Look at the crisp quality of this jacket, dude. This is like a nice slate boulder. That's a nice boulder gray. Levi's jacket. Oh, man, it got some little lamb's fur on the interior, but... Oh! Tripping. Guys, look how rustic this piece is, man. This thing is amazing. $8 that Schmidt. Oh yeah. Also, this dude like complimented the Puma kicks I got on feet. You know, gotta give that sponsor love one time for the one time. But yeah, I told him to make YouTube videos and he got excited, and right now I can hear him watching the videos in the store, so it's lit. But so's the shirt. Look at this, guys. So yeah, we had to come to the pot section. You know, I'm on my plan 2 type stuff. Oh, dang, look at the neck on that guy. But look at this jacket. It's a clean little essential. I love the like color scheme on it, and it has these big old like hook buttons. It's like $6. Like, why not? That's a nice essential, man. You guys know, if y'all want anything y'all see, thriftingvintage.com for the blessings. Guys, this is exactly what I need. A gently used potty training toilet. Oh, ew. I'm finna just sit on this too, this little porcelain plastic throne. Let's get it. Damn, this dude is shook as hell. What is he looking at? Boy got 2 lazy eyes. Hey, but you theoretically could put a plant in the back of this dog. Yo, check this out too. You got the Disney, like, I don't know, garden entrance welcome rock. Perfect. Why is this full $10? Like, bro, that ain't even real human hair. Whoa. Oh, Christmas Grail. Why do they have the Christmas bangers in here? This is only $2. This is gonna be my stocking for next year. Bro, with the crooked beak too? Perfect.
It's like you.
Hey, she just said just like mine, talking about my nose beak. Mean. But look, dude, I found one of these last week. Now you got another one. This is just that beautiful Christmas decor. Hey, it's Christmas shit 75% off. All right, this is actually a must cop, man. That swole ass Donkey Kong. Bruh, $2? Come on. And it's that high quality plush material too. Like, this feels like an expensive, like, rich person's cat when you touch it. Nice. Guys, I seriously love rugbies. Polo rugby. Got this little Toyota Munster rugby. And then you got a rugby with my name on it. Swim and dive in. Woohoo! Hey, but what's even better than that are, of course, the Fat Farm shoes. Classic shell toes. Look at this. The sleeve actually deceived, man. Blank hockey jerseys. Are you kidding me? Oh, it's a shame. But hey, they actually came through with that Andy exclusive from The Office. That I went to Cornell.
I got my dream job at Cornell.
Jersey. I think I got to. If it's, yeah, 7. Let's get it. Let's get it, yay. 7.
Bro.
Ooh, look at this banger. I love collegiate crew necks. This is like $3. Oh, excuse me, $3. It's the Virginia Cavaliers. Yeah, Tommy for my literal mommy. Look at her, she's draped in the Tommy too.
I got the Tommy, no heel figure.
Oh, wow, okay. Burp, gonna blur that out. Not for you guys, that ain't for you. That ain't for y'all. Hey, but this is a cool little piece. Unfortunately, it got some spilled grease up on it. That's so sad. R.I.P. What could have been? Bro, this graphic is just swag-tastic. Oh, that fool mischievous down there, a little water snake. Look at this, exclusive. Another Shorty scoop. Bruh, on the cool, I'm slipping. She's revealing it. Look at the back of that, dude. The majestic and aggressive peacock. All right, that's just crazy, man. That sewing machine put in work. I think I gotta get it. All right, y'all, we out of there. Boom, you know what I'm saying? I dropped half a Benjamin, aka $50. I don't remember who's on that bill, but if I did, I would have said them by name, so forgive me. Anyways, yeah, got a fat sack. Yeah, first store hit. I guess that's my good luck charm that just hopped in the chariot. You know, didn't even tell you guys about her experience in the first store, but yeah, anyways, on to the next. All right, y'all, jumped in the next spot, which is the Family Thrift outlet on Hillcroft. You guys already know, bruh, they got one of the grails. You know, I hate a Goofy especially, bro. I feel like I always am saying that, but it is just a irreplaceable line. I hate a Goofy especially. It's 2020, the vision never been clear on this dude. Straight up doing a handstand with his head looking out at the masses, what? And then in a similar colorway, man, you got the St. Louis Blues. Very crispy white jersey. I love the old school like colorway on that bad boy. Guys, peep game at this little flag encrusted shirt. Chaps Ralphius Lorenas. Oh, you get this like the this is the States, bro. You got the Iowa. Is that Colorado? I thought that was like a pineapple brand. You got freaking England. Stupid, bro. I feel like they're just, you know, Cali, Arizona. What is that? Washington State, bro. There's just like hella flags. I don't know. I might have misidentified a couple, but I ain't that much of a genius. Just low key, bruh. Colorway banging, color blocking. Amazing. Dude, I'm for real a thread detective. Like, I just saw kind of that sleeve poking and I was like, you joking me? Look at that Henley. This is a super old school little nice kind of Native American pattern on that bad boy. Got the Tony Romo kind of like gunmetal color scheme. That boy LT, let's go. Wait a second, we got another one. Sleeve doesn't deceive. Shout the Iowa Hawkeyes. Big ass letters on that bad boy. Hawkeye. I'm really about to start calling this boy. Ooh, is that the homie little caricature twist? Dude, real talk. This guy looks like Kinky, bruh. Just straight up elfed out, or leprechauned out, excuse-moi. It says this bud's for you. Guys, y'all, promise you, anytime I find one of these grails is crazy. Like, I'm just sitting here doing this, right? Just going through hella quick hands, and then I land on one, and it's just like, bro, I have to take a step back and just try and cherish the moment, but at the same time just bust out the cam, because you got the Guess USA. Beautiful. I actually think this is a bootleg. I don't know, I mean, the tag is like completely ripped off, but I mean, this is a quality blank that they did this on. But oh man, it's like leather with the bright blue embroidery just popping off the frame. Like, that's some vibrant Smurf melanin. Oh, absolutely beautiful. I definitely have to get this. Man, hold up. I think what I want to do, since it is a brand new year, new me and all that shit, is like pick 7 pieces from today and then show you guys how I style them. Like some, like, I don't know, more hype vintage, but then some stuff like this as well. This like Pierre Cardin, kind of crazy button up stuff that I feel like a lot of you guys or vintage heads typically wouldn't, you know, necessarily wear, because you can have any and every style in the thrift. So gotta get these pieces. But yo, grail of the day. Wow. The color blocking on this guy is absolutely flamboyant. Atlanta 1996. Got a cop. Well, goddamn. Look at this little baby bear branded jacket right here. Got the Chicago Cubs, man. Nice little crib satin blue. Look at these, again, authentic or not, the sleeve never deceives. Let's see what's up. Bootleg Liverpool, let's see. Oh, that's authentic, that Valspar. You got the Chicago Fire. Hello, MLS jersey. I'm definitely gonna get this, dude. This one looks like, I don't know, kind of that screen print is stuck together, man. Tripping. I'm gonna see if my hands can free up some of these alphabets. This is a certified hood classic. Look at this. You have an all embroidered, or I guess like puff painted giraffe on both the titties. That's a cool button up. Hey, this button up is equally, if not more cool. You got the Cheyenne Outfitters from Cheyenne, Wyoming. Wyoming has a population of like 200,000. That's absurd. But I like the pattern. It's kind of Pendleton-esque, but not exactly. All right, we got a new segment called Shorty Scoops, you know what I'm saying? My Shorty. Got the beautiful Mickey Mouse paisley embroidered crew neck. Fire. And lit show for, you know, the 20% female audience. The purses.
Upside down.
Oh, I was like, that's an elephant, huh? I was like, what continent is that? So I have the Made in India elephant purse. Go ahead, open that thing up. Show them what's on the inside, you know what I'm saying? Oh, wow. You feel me? And then what's the other purse you got? It's very Titanic-esque, you know what I'm saying? Beautifully embroidered, floral designs. Wow. Yo, my little damsel. Okay. Just pulled out that Polo high tech. Not to be confused with the beverage. Oh man, this thing is fire. Two-tone Clifford up top, ocean on the bottom. Wow, that's beautiful. Ooh, that's not okay. That's nice. Look at this heavy Carhartt jacket, fat ass pockets, hella narcotics. You know what I'm saying? On the work site, never good combo. This thing is beautiful, made in the US of A with pride. Hell yeah. All right, guys, and we outie. So shout out the Family Thrift Outlet, Hillcross Street. Check it out if you guys feel inclined to do so. Yeah, dude, always coming through with the fire. I can't wait to kind of show y'all the 7 pieces I selected to build outfits with. Let's do it. Okay, so the 7 pieces, I'm just gonna fly through, but I wanna show y'all in the upcoming video like how I style the vintage. So you already know I gotta rock one of the Grails one time for the one time, that Guess sweater. I'm gonna wear the multicolored little crazy Henley looking dude, just because this thing is like absurd looking. And if these clothes don't fit me right, fuck it. No, I'm just kidding. I might switch it up. We'll see. The Pierre Cardin. You guys can't tell what this looks like just draped in my hand. The Atlanta 96, I definitely want to give a shot at rocking, you dig? And then we have the little Cheyenne kind of Native American button up. And then last and not least, I don't know if this will fit right, but I gotta rock the goofy for y'all. So yeah, if you guys want anything you saw in today's video, check out thriftheavenvintage.com. Now, a lot of the drops occur on the weekends, and I have so many clothes backed up from the Christmas break / moving because, you know, I've been busy like having to kind of do my house. I've been moving all my shit, going on vacation. So just bear with me, follow the Instagram, and that's how you guys will know when a certain piece drops, or whenever a few pieces drop on the Instagram. The website has like 50 new items on it. So just follow the Instagram, follow my Instagram, go check it out if you want to do so. If not, fuck it, I love you anyways. Giveaway winners, you know who you are. All your stuff is going out tomorrow, and all you guys have been contacted. So if you're a bitch ass in the comments like, what about the giveaway, Paul? Bruh. You would know if you won, but I don't think you won. That's why I think you're tripping. But anyways, man, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Shout out my wonderful woman for being a part in it. I had no real plan of having her be in the video until I remembered a comment that one of y'all left about who wonders like who's Paul's chick is, or I don't know, some shit. It was something like that, bro. But yeah, man, that's it. Live the dream, eat that ice cream. Like the video, subscribe, turn on notifications. All that YouTuber stuff, I'm out, baby. Yeah!
Killing these songs, leaving a bloody life I roost to. And I'm in it to win it, so I'm somebody that you should get used to.